some. How you keep them hoes out, you man, they killing me, numero uno. Might kick shit like judo, judo. Giving out hoes, not kudos, kudos. Pocket fat like you know. Yeah, I tell a bitch, eat it like Doja Cat. You see the wrist, whip it like Border Chris. I got a crib bigger than Border Piss. And the shots ain't bringing my soldiers back. From the noose to the trap and a wop, no diggity, new to the top and a rock, new Tiffany. Say you smooth like an R&B song. How you keep them hoes out, you man, they killing me. Coming by surprise in my brain.
We are on spiritual video cam right now. Ooh, change right before my eyes.
Collins don't come here.
Saddle up. Let's go. Yeah.
So tired trying to see from behind the red in my eyes. No better version of me I could pretend to be tonight. So deep in the swill with the most familiar of swine. For reasons wretched and divine. She's gonna save me, call me baby. Run her hands through my hair. She'll know me crazy, soothe me daily, but yet she wouldn't care. We'll steal her Lexus, be detectives, ride round picking up clues. We'll name our children Jackie and Wilson, raise them on rhythm and blues. Lord, it'd be great to find a place we could escape sometime. Me and my eyes just growing black irises in the sunshine. Every version of me dead and buried in the yard outside. Sit back and watch the world go by. Happy to lie back, watch it burn and rust. We tried the world, good God, it wasn't for us. She's gonna save me, call me baby, run her hands through my hair. She'll know me crazy, soothe me daily, but yet she wouldn't care.
I could do this at any place.
Speed detective, ride round picking up clues. We'll name our children Jackie and Wilson, raise them on rhythm and blues.
Really? Up on the rooftop. Don't say Nick. It was Christmas morning. And up on the rooftop, you heard click, click, click. Who threw open the sash? It wasn't all Saint Nick.
You better decide.
I think I want.
That's my dad.
You should take a picture of me as well.
We're making a video for our trip.
Sounds great. Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to Portland. Keep Portland weird. I'm Weird Michelle.
Thank you.
Come here, any minute.
Look at the sign. Best child in town.
Isn't that it? Oh, sorry.
It reminds me of like Alpha. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Okay. Best of luck to me. Does it fit?
That I would have it no other way.
I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. I guess you said talking about my girl. I've got so much honey, the bees into me. I've got a sweeter song than the birds in the trees.
Elena, you look like you're the standoff of this cat.
It's time to bring out the camera.